Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you very much for having me here. I'm very excited about what is happening. That is the second phase in our implementation of the Transformational Eco Excel training program in the state. Now, you know, we are going to train our teachers, and that's because this is going to drill into their classroom practice. They're going to learn a lot of things. They're going to learn a lot of instructional strategies that they can use in the classroom. They're going to learn a lot about how children learn best, why they learn, and the circumstances under which children learn. They're going to be able to deploy a large number of strategies, and we expect that learning outcomes will improve significantly when all across our schools teachers are teaching using Eco Excel methodologies. The important thing about the methodology, of course, is not just the tablet. The tablet is important, but even more important than the tablet is the fact that they have now sort of internalized a number of strategies that can only improve their craft in the classroom, make learning more interesting, improve learning outcomes, and overall transform the primary educational sector. I think the charge we've given to our technical partners in Eco Excel is that we want every child in Lagos reading by the end of primary one. We know that doesn't mean they will read big words, but it just means that at every stage we want children to read in an age-appropriate manner. So I wish you all the best, the teachers. Please sit back and enjoy the program. Let us soak into you and learn more. This our craft of teaching. Is the most important job anybody can do, because you are nurturing and building the leaders of tomorrow. You are nurturing and building the leaders who will be ruling this country when you and I are quite elderly. And you know, elderly people need support, so let us bring them up in such a way that they will support us well when we are old. I thank our technical partners. I thank all the facilitators who will be working on the program. It's a hard task, it's a daily slog, but at the end of the day, you know that what you get is a team of teachers who are raring to go, ready to go, and imbued with all the skills they need to be excellent teachers. Once again, I thank you all. I thanks to BEB for planning this program, implementing the program. I especially greet the ebullient and amiable and hardworking chairman of SUBEB, who has always been very enthusiastic about children's learning, who understands why children should learn, and who is therefore quite a pleasure to work with. I wish the board of SUBEB all the best. I congratulate you. I congratulate the whole of SUBEB, and I congratulate all our teachers who are involved in this program. Thank you very much for inviting me.